This project is part of the VIP pool of projects, and it deals with performance analysis, operations, maintenance, and staff training for a pilot wastewater treatment plant in a Lebanese village that is run by a certain water authority that will be selected at a later stage. The aim of the project is to provide solutions and opportunities in order to improve the wastewater treatment plant facilities and make it at a higher level of performance, looking at optimizing the costs, improving efficiencies, and reducing the investments needed. Our approach is to create a partnership, and the main pools of such a partnership are LAU as faculty and facilities, the students as one of the major assets of this project, the water authority that we will select, and the US-based company. Our contribution will be related to performance evaluation, asset management, cost savings, and value added. These will be detailed later on. We will need a multidisciplinary team of civil engineering students, industrial engineering, mechanical engineering, and the management skills that are needed to run and optimize in this project. The main milestone of the project is it exposes the students to a new knowledge in wastewater treatment plant operations and maintenance, and they will learn a lot and state-of-the-art knowledge from our US-based company or industry partner. This partnership is a win-win situation to everyone involved in it. The industry partner is SEG, Arizona-based engineering company, and LAU with its faculty, staff, and facilities, laboratories needed to conduct and to complete this project.